Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today in this episode you are gonna learn about the history of English language. This video is very informative for you because I don't want to teach you grammar or any other thing. But today I want to tell you about the history of English language, the historical background of English language. So let me to tell you what is the historical background of English language. Actually, historian categorize this English language only in three main eras, three main ages: Old English, Middle English, and Modern English. So let me to tell you what is mean by Old English and why we call it Old English. The duration of Old English is from 500 till to 1100. Remember this, there were three Germanic tribes. Their name was Engel, Saxon, and Jutes. And English is the common tongue of these people. These tribes invaded England in 5th century, and their specific place was called England. And remember this, from this word England, the England, which is also called UK now, the England name is derived from the England, and their language was called Old English but not English. It was actually English. Their language was English, and after that it become English. The English word is derived from the English. Actually, the English which these people were spoke, actually this was called Old English because this is remember, this Old English is very difficult. Even native speaker can't speak as well as can't understand the Old English. Old English was spoken around to 1100 only. And why we differentiate between Old English and Middle English, I will tell you this in Middle English era. And the last one poem which was written at that time, his name is Beowulf. And remember this, I would like to tell you this, that there is one movie has been made on it in 2007. The movie name is also Beowulf. If you watch this movie, so it will be very helpful for you because this will tell you about this movie, will guide you about the Old English. And now what is mean by Middle English? Actually, Middle English, the duration of Middle English from 1100 till to 1500 AD. In 1066, the Duke of Normandy, actually this was the province of France at that time, Normandy, and the Duke of Normandy, which was called, the name of that duke was William the Conqueror. They conquer England and they bring another language, actually French language, and the French language completely influenced at that time in English language, which is very nowadays you will find a lot of French words in English language. At that time, the lower class, who were the lower class? Actually, Engel, Saxon, and Jutes were the lower class at that time. They spoke English language, but the upper class spoke French language, which was the language of upper class at that time, the ruling class. And after some time, the English become dominated again because of the people getting interest in English language. At that time, the English become dominated again. French language influenced a lot, and too many words were added from the French language to English language. And remember this is the age of the great poet Chaucer. You have heard this before, Chaucer. And the Middle English is also different from the Old English because I told you that there is some French influence as well as in other languages influence in English language. Now what is mean by Modern English? Let me to tell you about the modern English. From the 15th century till to this position, we call it Modern English. And why we call it Modern English? Remember this, toward the end of the Middle English, a sudden and distinct change occur and the pronunciation of the word, and new phrases entered in English language. A lot of new phrases and sentences entered in English language. And the most important point is in 1604 the first English dictionary was published at that time. That is why English became a very dominated language at that time. And due to the scientific discoveries, a lot of scientific discoveries occurred in English language. That is why English became a very rich language about the vocabulary. Due to scientific discoveries and invention, a lot of new vocabulary entered in English language, and English become the dominated language of the world. And nowadays you know that English as the international language, and there is two type of English. One is American and other is British English. And what is the difference between American and British English, I will tell you this in the next video. And who are the native speaker of English language? It is clear that I have told you about the native speaker. The real native speaker of English language are the British people. I mean the people who live in UK, the people of England. They are the real native speaker of English language, and American have adopted this language. So hope guys you will understand about the history of English language. So if you are new here, then please subscribe our channel, and thanks a million, thanks a bunch, thanks a lot. Khuda Hafiz.